Hello everyone. Today I will be telling you all that how you can make free money, thousands of dollars or maybe hundreds of thousands of dollars for free without doing nothing, just small simple tasks in crypto, and how you can do that and how you can make money easily, I will tell you in this video. But first of all, let me share you some analysis and my trade updates with you. So let's get straight to the point. Yesterday I posted a short video in which I informed you all that there are chances that this move can be an impulsive move and this is a correction and the price of Bitcoin can again continue to the downside. Well, I'm not 100% sure because it's obvious that no one is 100% sure here, but of course there are chances that I said that if the price of Bitcoin gets a huge reversal from here, then it can easily go to this purple minor support zone from 39,900 all the way down till 38,500, and if the price of Bitcoin breaks this support to the downside, then it can fall heavily. So right now if you can see, the price of Bitcoin is sideways, and let's see what happens. I will definitely not enter here in any of the trade, long or short. I will wait for the price to go to this blue order block first, and after that show some kind of either a reversal or a breakout, then only I will enter. Right now it is sideways, so it's better to stay away from the market and just watch it. Talking about my crude oil trade, I already booked some profits over here at the top when there was this gap up opening and a red closing candle. I booked a good amount of profits over here, and then I trailed my stop loss. I somewhat over here put my stop loss, and after this red candle my stop loss also got triggered. So I exited in crude oil with a good amount of profits only, and right now this trade is fully exited and I've booked a good amount of profits in my crude oil trade, and let's see what happens. So yeah, my take profit was this only, but if you remember my past video on crude oil where I took my first trade, I told you all that we entered over here and booked our majority of our profits over here, and I told you that this is a very important minor resistance, the white box, if you remember. And now you can clearly see the price of crude oil exactly got rejected from here, but it's okay because my main target was this purple zone from 82.22 to 81.22 dollars. But yeah, the price did not went exactly to my take profit, but that's what trading is, that if the price does not go in your favor, you have to try your best to maximize your profits and minimize your losses, and that's what I did here and booked a good amount of profits here. So I hope you remember, the price of S&P 500 exactly got reversed from here, and after this huge red candle breakdown, I decided to enter in a short position somewhat over here at a retest, and now you can clearly see the price of S&P 500 is going against me and it will trigger my stop loss. But the main thing here I learned is that you can clearly see S&P 500 is in uptrend, forming new higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher lows. So the main thing here is that I'm trying to catch a falling knife. That means I'm trying to go against the trend and I'm trying to enter in a reversal trade. But it's okay to enter in a reversal trade, but the main here thing that caused my loss is that you can clearly see S&P 500 is right now forming an all-time high, and you cannot predict any price action or any levels at the all-time high or all-time low. You can only find some levels according to Fibonacci tool, but that are also not accurate. So this is a very risky trade when any asset's price is moving in an all-time high or at an all-time low. It is a very I would say hard to enter in any trade there. This is the biggest mistake I learned, that I should not enter in any long or short position when an asset's price is moving at an all-time high, because if you enter long, there are chances it can get reversed from there, and if you enter short, there are chances it can go even higher. So it's better to trade on price action perfect levels only and do not go against the trend. So I hope you learned a lot in this video, that how I am also not 100% perfect and right now I am learning, and I never advise you guys to take any trade, and I always suggest you to do your own analysis as well and then only enter with proper risk and money management. So yeah, I hope you learned from my mistakes, because I definitely learned a lot, and now I will tell you how you can make free money in crypto So right now there is an airdrop going on of Jupiter. What is Jupiter? Well, it is a decentralized exchange that is built on the Solana's blockchain. Solana is a layer 1 blockchain. It has its own blockchain, very instant transactions with low cost. So I hope you have heard of Solana. So on its blockchain there is a new project that is Jupiter, and it is a decentralized exchange, as I told you all. So they are right now having an airdrop which will be of 4 phases, and one phase is already over. Rest 3 are going on, and second phase is right now going on, and rest of the 2 will be beginning in the future. So they are giving away 40% of their total supply of Jupiter tokens in the airdrop. So because I've heard that many people have made more than $1 million in airdrop for free, or like thousands of dollars very easily. So I will put the link of Jupiter's website in the description. Only go through the original link, or else you will get scammed also. So how to do it? It's simple. When you go to the Jupiter's website, there are 5 steps. There are 5 features of Jupiter, like swap, DCA, perpetual longs, bridging, etc. You just have to do it with small amount only, $5-10. Swap the Solana token to Jupiter token, and then back again Jupiter to Solana. Go trade only small amount, as I said, with Jupiter token, and all other features. You just have to try these features, and then you will be eligible to claim Jupiter if you win the airdrop. So my suggestion is to every day, each hour, every hour. Okay, my suggestion is to do all the steps, all these tasks every day and every hour. Okay, like for example, it's 1 PM and you do all these 5 tasks, then you come again at 2 PM, do all these 5 tasks, and like this for 10 hours also per day you can do it. So there are high chances that you can win the airdrop with a good amount of money. And if your budget is only $10-50, then also you can easily do these tasks as well, because nothing is going to be charged from you. And yeah, you still, I will recommend that the money you are ready to lose, you can only put that much amount in these airdrops. So it's kind of a lucky draw. If you do more tasks, then you are eligible to claim the airdrops. And I've seen many people on Twitter claiming that they win the airdrops very well, and congratulations to all of them. And yeah, this is how you can win free money. And also you can just search on YouTube Jupiter airdrop, and you will get many videos with full tutorial, and they will teach you how to participate in this airdrop and everything. And I will put the Jupiter's official website in the link, so go and make some money. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you want to buy Solana, you can do that on Bybit. It is the best crypto exchange out there, and you can get $30,000 gift too. So create an account on Bybit with the link in the description and in the comments, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.